Hey everyone, it's Rachel here with Backyard Blossoms, here with some fresh flowers that I harvested last night from the garden. They have been sitting in this bucket in a cool area all night. I had someone message me yesterday wanting flowers for today, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a mason jar arrangement and it's going to be lovely, so stay tuned. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching the process of the mason jar arrangement. I had to move just a few things around. You know, things get poked and prodded and they get out of whack. So I did have to make a few minor adjustments with that. This was my first attempt at using highlighter yellow in an arrangement. So that's Statice right there. I'm always at a loss on what to do with that, and you know, I think it worked out just fine. Let me know down in the comments what you guys use this highlighter yellow Statice for, and give me some color combo ideas. I'll try to make a few more things with that. This is also my first arrangement with harvesting my eucalyptus that I started from seed. So definitely I'm loving that. I only cut a few things. I have like 40 plants out there in the garden. So I'm excited to cut some more of that and use that in more arrangements. But I hope you guys enjoyed how it turned out. I'm definitely pleased with this one. Last few arrangements have had that foxglove in it and I'm kind of running out. They're dying off. So that's been fun to work with. I hope that you guys find something fun to do in your garden, and let me know down in the comments what you're growing, how your plants are doing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And if you haven't already hit that like button, please do that. That helps my channel out so much. And if you are enjoying the videos, please don't forget that subscribe button and that bell icon to let you know when I post another video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.